This is for you.
31.
Hi everyone, this is Naumya. Welcome back to another new vlog. So Atul's birthday all set and Bharat Jana bandbitar already, and I can't start my vlog outside, so you start manatani. And this is what I am wearing. Maxi dress hakonidena, so that's what I'm wearing. I'm ready agagilla. So horak torstenante ine preparation ageti nodonante.
ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಕ್ ಚೆಕ್ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕೇಕ್ ಬೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಈ ಸತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಬೇಕ್, ಸೊ ಭಾಳ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ತೊಗೋತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫ್ರೋಝನ್ ಕೇಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರೆವೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಚೀಸ್ ಕೇಕ್ ವಿತ್ chocolate crumbles on top, and tortillas ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದೇವಿ. We invited people around 10 PM, so ಅದರ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಫುಡ್ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, there is just snack. We thought we'll order pizza later on, and then we have some orange juice and beer. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಭಾಳ ಜನ ವೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಬಿಯರ್. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಬ್ರ್ಯೂರಿ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಬಿಯರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ ಲಿಡಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ಸ್ and we got this one. Il beer bar cheap ಐತಿ. It's around 89 cents, which is 70 rupees, sorry. Okay, and now Indians jaldine bandar. We are on time and we are waiting for a lot of people to come in. And balcony nag rice lights it nan kade, so adna hakidvi. So sal balcony must kanatati, but after 10 o'clock we can't like open the doors and party. It'll be too loud. I wanted to see Atul in this look, so black shirt and loose pants, and ellardu help togonde we started setting up the place. And in mundella videos raw itirteni.
No bro. It's not going to be no bro. 13 कर दो या फिर 31 चुपचाप लगा दो.
लग गया?
या नहीं शोभा देता भाई. हाँ ये now this is better. 31 is the new 30. वो ये एक और जो अपना मॉर्निंग का स्टॉक है ना वो रात में निकालते हैं, तो दैट वो खराब तो नहीं. इतना परसेंट I didn't found the floor. I was probably 3, 4 trying to find the sound. I hate this building. I hate this building. These are my office. Show them how it's done. Okay, one blue.
So what do we do?
This for you.
So you turn it around on the other side, and there's a number written on it. Yeah.
What is the number?
You put the cap on your nose, and then you drink it.
Where's the number?
Okay.
Okay. Number, and then
We tap it? Mine is?
there is number 10 on the.
Mine is what?
Yours is 41. This is for you.
31?
Mine is 41. And then you drink. You have to tap it. You have to tap the number of times. You have to put the cap on the nose.
So without hands.
Without hands.
You drink it without hands.
Yeah, you open it. Yeah, you put it together. You put it in the cap it. Put it in your nose. And then without hands. Put it in your nose. 1, 2, 3.
Take the cut.
Willkommen in Deutschland.
Cut the cake. Start singing the song. When you blow. Happy birthday, dear Arthur. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
I know. Let's give him some birthday bombs. Instagram. Hello. Says. Hot cake.
Slightly hot.
That's it. Okay. Cakes तो ठंडे होते हैं ना.
थोड़ा अलग है.
Stop the finger.
ये नया
Oh, mama.
Suck their finger.
Did you like it?
How's my outfit?
We'll talk about it when everyone. So this is how the apartment looks like. Good morning. So idella cleaning madbeku and we are planning to go on a brunch date. It's been a while. Nav horage hogilla to eat something, to chill for some time. So we're planning to go there. And yeah, first cleaning madbeku. Cleaning agbeku. Cleaning agant tali kedutaithi. So we'll finish that and we'll step out. So 5 kilometers ಒಳಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ we prefer to go on bike. ನಾನು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ. I think after 2 years ಲಾಂಗ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಯಂತ್ರ. ಏನು ಸಖತ್ತಾಗೈತೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ವೆದರ್. ಸಂಡೇ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ರೈಡ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ರನ್ ಆರ್ ಜಿಮ್ is the best feeling. So ಅತುಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೊಂಟಾನ. Here I am. Huh?
I think they are used to it. Different customers sitting here.
Yeah, this is like so confusing. Like the color of the tables are also the same. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಲಿನ್ನಾಗ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಿಂಗೆ 1-2 minutes ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗತ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Can we reach it?
No, it's stuck here. Yeah.
That doesn't matter.
Huh.
This is big enough. Yes.
Yeah. So ನನ್ನ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಟ್ರೀಗೆ and ಅವ್ನ ಸೈಕಲ್ ನನ್ನ ಸೈಕಲಿಗೆ. Specs is looking really nice.
How does it look on me?
So it's not too big. That's the good thing. Like it fits.
And it gives a good coverage.
Yeah.
So, on a hot sunny day, it's really good.
I checked out one of the like a brand where they have these funky specs, where it's like there is a specs and fire to the sides. I think we can buy it when we are going to the music festival. They have like really funky
the
ones.
Hard ones. The
Like-
3 hearts.
Yeah. ಸೊ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಏನೂ ತಿಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ರೆ. ಬ್ರಂಚ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಔಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಲವ್ ದಿಸ್. ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ನಾಗೂ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನಾನು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅತುಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಚಾ ಲಾಟೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಸಮ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬೇಗಿ 44. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಗ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋನಾ ಶೋ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ವೈಲ್. I love orange juice. I ordered Avomaniac with salmon, so avocado with lot of sprouts ide, but illi famous irodu antandre idu egg drop sandwich with salmon, avocado, bacon ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಪಿಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋದು. and the sauce is super popular here. ನಾನು ಅದ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು because it tastes yummy. and ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಟೋಸ್ಟ್. yummy as fuck. Sauce is
Good.
so Sunday is for like chilling, like ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. We are in the park. ಮಸ್ತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಐತಿ ವೆದರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಹಾಕವಿ and then we have this mat.
Are you showing that guy sunbathing his armpit?
Yeah, he is like this, armpitting ಮಾಡಿ sunbathing ಮಾಡಾದಾನ. So yeah, I'll end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next vlog.